given that 3 bracket open 2 exponent x bracket close plus 3 exponent y minus 2 equals 25 as the equation 1, and 2 exponent x minus 3 exponent y plus 1 equals negative 19 as equation 2. Find the value of x. So here I have a simple approach to do this. So what we need to do first is, since we have 2 exponent x here and another 2 exponent x here, what we need to do first is to make 2 exponent x the subject. Okay, so I'll make 2 exponent x the subject from equation 2. Okay, so we have 2 exponent x equals 3 exponent y plus 1 minus 19. All right, so this will be our new equation, equation 3. Okay, so from here we substitute this value here, 3 exponent y plus 1 minus 19 into the equation 1. Okay, so we have so we have so 3, okay, bracket open, 3 exponents y plus 1 minus 19, okay, bracket close, and plus 3 exponent y minus 2 equals 25. So we expand, we open this bracket here. So opening this, we have so we apply the indices here, indices rule. So applying the indices rule, we have here, okay, so 3 multiply this, so that will give us 3 exponent y plus 2, okay, because this has exponent 1. So when you multiply, you get 3 exponent y plus 1 plus another 1, so that will be 2. Then minus minus 3, so 3 times 19, that will give us 57, right? 57. So plus 3 exponent y minus 2 equals 25. So we bring like terms together, negative, that is minus 57 and 25. So that will be 3 exponent y plus 2, okay, plus 3 exponent y minus 2. All right, so this will be equals to 25 plus 57. So we take the inverse to both sides, so we get that. All right, so so here, from here, we can see that we have a common factor here, 3 exponent y and 3 exponent y here as well. Okay, to make it simple, this this expression here, it's the same thing as writing 3 exponent 3 exponent y times 3 exponent 2, okay, then plus this expression here is the same thing as writing 3 exponent y on 3 exponent 2. You get that? Okay, so that will be equals to the addition of the sum of this, that will be 82. Okay, so you see that here, so we see that the common factor here we have 3 exponent y and 3 exponent y, so we can factor the 3 exponent y out. This will be 9 and this will be also be 9 here, so that means we have 3 exponent y, okay, bracket open, 9 plus 1 on 9, okay, bracket close, equals 82. All right, so we can simplify this. Okay, simplify this. That will be 81, 82. Okay, 82 on 9. Right? So we have 3 exponents y. Okay, so bracket open. Simplifying this, we have 9 times 9, that is 181 plus 1. So 82 on 9. Okay, so bracket close equals 82. Okay, so anytime we have a whole number with a fraction, we just need to a number with a fraction. This is the same thing. This is the same thing as having 9 whole number 1 out of 2. Sorry, out of 9. Sorry, because the denominator is 9. So 9 times 9, 81 plus 1, that is 82. 82 on 9. You see that one? Good. All right, so we have so here we are looking for this. Okay, this is the expression is what you're looking for, the variable is what you're looking for. So what we do is we take the inverse of this to both sides, and this is 82 on 9. So the inverse to this side, that will be we multiply by 9 on 82. Okay, so that we have um, 3 exponent y equals 82. Okay, since 82, so we multiply both sides by the inverse of this. So the inverse of this is 9 on 82, so that this will go. Okay, it becomes 1. So we have times 9 on 82. Okay, you see that when we use this to multiply this to the left hand side, okay, since it's an equation, whatever we do to the left hand side, we do to the right hand side. So when we use this to multiply the left hand side, it becomes 1. Okay, so that gave us so this and this goes, so we have 3 exponent y equals 9. Okay, so changing this to a common base with this, so we have 3 exponent y equals 3 exponent 2. That means that y equals 2. Okay, so if y equals 2, we can put going back to the equation here, equation 3. Okay, so we put y equals to 2 into the equation 3. So we put let me say this like this. Okay, so we put the y equals to 2 into the equation here. Okay, so that means we have, this implies that 2 exponent x equals 3 bracket open, the y is 2, so 2 plus 1 bracket close minus 19. Okay, so we have 2 exponent x, okay, plus 3 exponent 3 minus 19. Okay, so this will be 2 exponent x equals 3 exponent 3, that is 27. 27 minus 19. Okay, 27 minus 19, that will give us 8, right? 8. Okay, so we can say that 2 exponent x equals 2 exponent 8. Sorry, 2 exponent 3. That will be 8. Okay, so x equals 3. So it means that now we're looking, so that means that the value, okay, of x equals 3 and y equals 2. I think we're supposed to find the two variables, okay, the value of the two variables. Okay, so and that is that. So do not forget to subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you.